How to set up an alarm on an iPhone. To set up an alarm on an iPhone, tap the plus icon above. Set the time. You can choose to repeat the alarm on whatever days you like. Label the alarm, whatever you call it. You can choose to configure the vibration alarm if you'd like. If you want more alarm sounds, you can download them from the iTunes store. Or if you have a song in your local library, you can choose it as an alarm. If you want a simple tone, you can choose one of these ringtones. Once you have set your sound, you can now go back to the main settings and choose if you want a snooze on your alarm or not. After you've done all of these, you can now safely save the alarm settings for that specific time. That is all for this video. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.